Hello everybody, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In today's video, I will give you a tutorial on how to make this candy cane wreath using deco mesh, pipe cleaner, and scissors. So I'm only using one pipe cleaner. I folded it in half, and then I cut the other one of the halves of the pipe cleaner. So the way we make this wreath candy cane is the same way as we make the round wreath. So first we're going to start off by tying our deco mesh into the wreath frame, the candy cane frame. And this frame I got it from Dollar Tree. So we are going to tie it to the back side of our frame. I also want to take the time to say thank you to the subscribers, and thank you so much if you have subscribed. And if you haven't already, you can please subscribe and like this video for more fun tutorials. So this is the way I tie it. So remember, we tie it to the back side of our frame. Then we flip it over to the front. We're going to put a little bit of the deco mesh into one piece. So you can put a little or as much as you want, depending on how big you want your candy cane to be. And we're going to end up with a row of 3 loops just like this. So now we press it down, and then we make a twist to the back side like this, and then we repeat the process. So when you make a twist, you always take it to the same spot as you started. So the first row. On each section, I will be doing about 3 rows of the deco mesh. So as you can see right now, I'm working on my second row. So here we're finishing up with our second row, and then we do another twist and work on our last row of the first section of our candy cane. And this is the back. And remember, you make a twist of the deco mesh and then start on the first section when you first started with your frame. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media. I do have Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. I do post some pictures there of my DIYs. And I also sell wreaths. So if you are interested, you can go to my Instagram. And if anyone wants to make an order, you can just send me a direct message through my Instagram. So this is the first section, and this is how it looks. It's just a lot of loops with deco mesh. And you can use any color, it will be so fun. If you have like the white and red, which is the candy cane colors, that would be very pretty. This is just a deco mesh that I used last year for a gingerbread theme wreath for Christmas. And I had some left over here, so that's what I'm using. Also, when you run out of your deco mesh and if you need more, you can just tie the remaining of the deco mesh roll to the other one and then continue working on your wreath, which is what I did with this one, because my deco mesh that I was using for this tutorial, it was already used, so I needed a little more, so I just attach it to the other row just by tying it with a small pipe cleaner. So there's a lot of repetition on this wreath process, and on the larger sections you just add more loops, which is what I did on the top side of the candy cane because it's a little curved and it has a bigger section. So this is the end. So when you finish, all you have to do is tie the last piece into the frame using a small pipe cleaner. So this is very easy to do. You can use it for your front door or decorate inside your home for Christmas. And just cut off the excess. And there you go. So you can leave it as it is, or you can add a bow and some embellishments. So one time I added a bow and just added some embellishments using candy canes and berries, just like different things. So here is a bow that I made. So all I did is tie it to the back side of the candy cane. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!